What's up guys, you're watching Chains Eats and I'm back with another video. Now today I have some guests coming over, so I'm going to show you how you can whip up an easy chicken, leek and mushroom pie using simple but fresh ingredients with that golden puff pastry. This dish is going to be delish, so make sure to stick around right here on Chains Eats. Simple ingredients, so easy to make, yet packed full of flavor. Coming right up. Before we get into this video guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to head over to my Chains Eats Facebook page and also my Instagram account where I actively upload new posts. So before we get into the pie, the first thing we need to do is blind bake our pastry. So just line your tray with your puff pastry. So with your fork, you just want to start to puncture some holes into the base of your pastry. Grab some parchment paper, layer your parchment paper inside your dish on your pastry, and we're going to add in some rice. We're going to pop this into the oven to bake for about 10 minutes. For our pie filling, I am using some chicken breasts, about half a kilo that I've just cut up into small chunks. I've also got some leek that I've sliced up. I've got one medium-sized onion. I've got some button mushrooms that I'm using, as well as half a cup of some sweet green peas. To these ingredients, I'm also adding in around about 200 to 300 mils of just your regular chicken stock, as well as some sour cream and a bit of thyme. Okay, we're going to hit our pan with a bit of oil there, just about a tablespoon, and in goes our chicken. Now you want to cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes until your chicken is cooked. Okay, in goes our white onion. Okay, add in our leek, as well as our peas, and let that just cook away for a couple of minutes. In goes our button mushrooms. I'm also going to add in about a tablespoon of just some plain flour. To that I'm going to hit that with some thyme, teaspoon of thyme. I've got some chicken stock that I'm going to add in a bit at a time. I've got 200 to 300 mils of just some chicken stock there. And I've got a heap spoon of some nice sour cream cheese. Add in the rest of your chicken stock. Now we're going to add a bit of cracked pepper, and that goes. Bit of salt. Let that blip away for another couple of minutes and we should be good to fill this into our pastry. Now that is looking pretty good guys. We are now ready to add our filling into our tray. Look at that. Nice, thick, creamy chicken filling. Smells pretty good. Put your puff pastry on top. Just cover our filling there. Make sure you really tuck it in. Now you just want to make some cuts into the pastry just with a knife. Then grab some egg wash and just brush the pastry all over. This is going to help give that nice golden color to your puff pastry. Pop our pie into the oven and that will cook away for about 25 minutes. So our pie's been in the oven for about 25 minutes. Now take a look at that pie. That is looking delish, nice and golden puff pastry. And there you have it, guys. James Eats chicken, leek and mushroom pie. Now that looks delish. This pie is looking pretty good. You've got that lovely golden puff pastry and that nice creamy chicken filling. Let's get into this. Stop it. That lovely crusty puff pastry, nice chunky chicken in that filling. And you can taste the thyme coming through as well with that nice creamy sauce. Oh, this pie is pretty good. I've listed all the ingredients in the description below for you to check out those details. Also check out my YouTube channel for many other recipes I've uploaded. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and if you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for clicking onto my video. That is all here, guys, here on James Eats.